Hey everybody, Travis Holzem of Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, and just finishing up today on Monday. What is it, the 15th? And finished up the herb garden in the front of the house and started planting out some wildflowers, marigolds, and some clover in some spots, some alfalfa, some nettles, some comfrey seeds. Basically seeding the entire lawn with ground covers, or all the beds, and some of the spots where the dogs have ruined the grass. They're going to plant clover in those spots and stuff like that. But I'm going to turn you around and show you the herb beds in the front of the house. There's some empty spots, and those are seeds, so they're going to catch up. But here you go, check it out. We got the herb garden on the right. We got sage, lavender, thyme, rosemary, catnip, chicory, marjoram, oregano, and a couple different kinds of basil, and an echinacea is filling in a spot there. Then we got what is it, savory, tarragon, lemon balm, borage, chives, cumin, chamomile, lovage, sorrel, fennel, cilantro, some bunching onion just filling in the spot, and then we got some parsley and dill all the way up and down here. And that's finished that today, and not too exciting, but just getting the herbs planting, get everything. Tomorrow I will be planting a couple a pink lilac tree, or 2 pink lilacs and 2 purple lilac behind that herb garden in front of the house in that empty spot, and then we're gonna mulch it all, sheet mulch it, and then plant those trees. And then all that's left to do here is build the raised garden beds and the bench for the fire pit, and then plant all the veggies for the summer vegetables, their annual garden. But anyway, I will see you from Blaine tomorrow. Remember, grow food, not lawns. And yeah, if you want to have your backyard designed permaculture style, so you can, everything is edible or is beneficial to the trees, fruit trees, berry bushes, plants, vegetables. Everything is beneficial to each other. Everything is planted together in guilds, which is what you would call a community of plants that all benefit one another, just like nature. Just like you look at any forest, any set of trees and woods on the side of the road. If you go walk around, you will see from the ground to the top of the canopy, there's little plants and trees and bushes and flowers. Everything's doing its part. But with this is an edible landscape, food producing, so everything is edible here. So you can become self-sufficient, provide all your own food. You can even get chicken coops in your backyard, get all your own eggs. If you have the land for it, you can get some cows, you can get some goats. You know, you can raise rabbits. I mean, there's so many different things you can do. But let me know if you want to, because we do that. We design homesteads, 100% off-grid homesteads, down to the raised garden beds on a townhome patio, you know. So we'll do whatever we can to get you growing food, and so whatever space, use it wisely, and you can grow as much food as possible in the smallest space possible also. But anyway, have an amazing day. I will see you tomorrow. See you.